These for these niggas who think they gonna forget about me.
To the sounds of Stockton Productions.
Fuck nigga. How the fuck you rep the South but you ain't mention me? How the fuck you on the Arrowwood ain't mention me? How the fuck you selling drill but you ain't mention me? You ain't did no time, no penitentiary. You ain't who I think you is, you ain't who you supposed to be. I'm a 5-star rocker, I be on the beat. They say who the fuck is him, bitch, don't even mention me. I got so much money, don't even mention me. Benjamin Franklin turned to Benjamin Button. Pussy ass nigga with that huffing and puffing. You a big bad wolf, I got a big bad 9. For your big pussy ass, this is my last time. How the fuck you talk about Southside, you ain't say Kizzo? I don't think I know your pussy, you ain't my kinfolk. I come to your door, I shoot up your shit. I used to be trifling, I could fuck your bitch, huh? When you talk about pimping, ho, just mention me. When you talk about the Southside, mention Exit 3. When you talk about Daddy of the Year, you look right to left, that young nigga right here. Who the world most trap? Me? Nigga, please shut your trap. Not me. I stay sipping on that fruity, ooh lean. I'm getting money, don't talk unless you mention me. I'm a fucking G, straight out of the zoo. I don't give a fuck, I don't wear that flu. Whew. Everything I do is real. Say something, you be dead though. I bet she crying, cause you ain't mentioned her. She mad and she jealous, she want you to pick her up. That's that spoil shit. Damn, it's too late. I remember when I used to flip quakes. Niggas stop tripping on me. Y'all pussies better mention me. I go hard for my squad, that's my G's. They say A, B, C, no bitch, I'm a G. Fuck.